Hello and welcome back to another devlog on this channel. It's been a while, and for this big delay on game devlogs, I, to be honest, have no really explanation except for doing my main work, but here we go. I just wanted to show you two super duper mini features that I can show because under the hood there was a lot of rework done. So let's dive right into it. On the grassland side, I added some small environment enhancements. For example, these little flowers which are in a variety of colors, and I really like that. This gives the whole grassland side a bit more, I don't know, color. It's more colorful, more playful, I don't know. I really like this feature. Of course, these are just spawned within the grass blocks, which basically mean they cannot be harvested at this point. Maybe in a future update I will make these grass blocks and these flower objects collectible or harvestable, but currently this is not intended. You might have already seen that these height levels I added the last time are now not that high, because before they were just one block high. Now I think they're a half block, and this is really cool in relation to the player, because before the player had to jump one block, so one player height, and this was not really realistic nor cool. It didn't look that cool. Yeah, so I fixed that. This was a hell lot of work because I had to rework some of this old messy code, and while doing this I improved the code to make it more dry. I added some new abstractions so I can generate some of these objects faster, and also did some code cleanup and made the code a bit, more clean. I also added these little particles for this little rock here to symbolize, okay, this is a kind of magic, mystic block, whatever, and I really like that. Yep, and unfortunately this is everything I did the last, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks, because there was a main rework in the code which you cannot really see, but also some things in my real job, because this still is just a hobby for me. Yep, but I think we can do now progress a little bit faster. So, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button. If you don't like the video, then please hit the dislike button and write a comment down below what I can do better. And if you don't want to miss any updates on this game, then please hit the subscribe button. We see us in the next video. Bye.